G'day, peace be upon everyone watching this video. So some of you want to create tables that are kind of stripped in colors. We have this option in different programming languages too, in web designing, in different formats, and we also have that option in Google Sheets. So if you want to create a table that has stripped colors, stripped rows in terms of color, then obviously this is the right place for you. Watch this video till the end. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's going to be real fun because this channel is all about learning science, technology, and sense. So do click the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. And now let's start with how we can create an alternatively striped table in Google Sheets, one of the most advanced spreadsheet softwares in the world. So now let's suppose we have a table. Now that table has a header firstly. And the header is, we're going to be typing the name. Then we have another heading called the age and then the gender. Now these are the three headings. This is the header, by the way, for this table. And now the name of the first person is John, and then we have another person called Edward, then Ali, then Zainab, and then we have got Alan. And so this is a brief kind of a table. And now let's just enter some kind of age for them. 22 years old for John, 23 for Edward, 21 for Ali, 19 for Zainab, and maybe 17 for Alan. And let's assign a gender to them, a male, and then an Edward also a male, Ali a male again, Zainab female. Let's just go with Alan as a male. Now, this table for now has been created without any format. And now what we want is we want to assign alternative colors to rows. So row 2 and row 4 would have the same color. And similarly, row 3 and row 5 would have the same color. But we can't keep assigning colors individually to each row. So for that, Google Sheets has an option. You may select the entire table you have created. Go to Format right above, go through the drop down right at the bottom, you have alternating colors. Click this. And now in this option, what you've got is kind of a dialog box at the right telling you about alternating colors option. So our range right now is, yes, A1 till C6. And now we want to assign a color. So you may assign this. These are built in default styles. Now, if you want to create your own style, you may just add a custom style in here by changing the heading color, maybe this one, and then changing column 1 and 2 colors as slightly less that one, and then going towards that one. So this is my style. I want to create it. Now it's selected, done. Now you see we have a table that has a header color right here, and then it has every alternative row assigned the same color. So it's quite fun, to be honest. Now if I enter some new data, Omar, now you see by default if you keep entering data at every consecutive row and you don't miss a row, Google Sheets would automatically just copy the format from the table above and paste it. It will consider that this row right here is actually a part of the table above. But if you leave a couple of rows and then enter a new data, for example, right here, if you enter David, now you see the format has not been applied. Now, how can you basically follow the same format for David? It's quite simple. Go to your table, then go to Format, go to alternative colors, and you just need to tell Google Sheets that the range is now different, and it's not C10. In fact, it's maybe C10. Yeah, it's not C7, it's C10, pardon me. Now if you do done, you see David is also falling in the same number, in the same color format. So this is a very fun way to create very exciting stripped tables. Very simple, very elegant, and you can customize it as per your wish. So hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial on how to assign alternative row colors in Google Sheets. Keep watching Sofa Skills, an amazing platform for technology, science, and sense. Goodbye, may peace be upon you.